When powered on, the display lights up for 1 second and then turns off. Press the power button to turn on the display cooler. The display lights up and shows the current temperature inside the cabinet. Press the increase button to raise the set temperature. Press the decrease button to lower the set temperature. The temperature can be set from 30 Fahrenheit to 50 Fahrenheit. After a few seconds, a set temperature will be saved, and the display will automatically return to showing the current temperature. Press the light button to turn on the LED light. Press the light button again to turn off the LED light. Press and hold the light button to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Press and hold the light button again to switch back to Fahrenheit. Press and hold the power button for more than 3 seconds to turn off the display cooler. The display will turn off. To adjust a shelf, hold its front edge with both hands, lift it slightly and pull it outward. Select the desired height, align both sides of the shelf with the support slots, then slide the shelf straight in. When the door lock is unlocked, the door can be opened and closed normally. Close the door, insert the key into the lock, turn it counterclockwise to lock the door. After locking the door, check that it is securely locked. Insert the key again and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. The bottom of the display cooler is equipped with casters and an adjustable leveling foot. After positioning the display cooler, turn the leveling foot clockwise to extend it downward. Continue adjusting the leveling foot until it makes firm contact with the floor and the cabinet is stable. After adjusting the leveling foot, firmly lift the brake levers on both front casters to lock them. The display cooler is now securely in place. Before moving the display cooler, press the brake levers downward to unlock the casters. Turn the leveling foot counterclockwise to retract it upward. Continue turning until it no longer touches the floor.